So this video is about how to create a new team on Teams. Unfortunately, seem to be having a few technical glitches, hold-ups, shall we say. It's not working quite as I would expect it to. So you just have to bear with me. Alright, so let's get into it. In order to create a team, after the department have made their changes, which require everyone or the owners of the teams to accept the requests, it's been a little bit funny. So to join a team, click Join Team, and you want to create a new team. So you're going to create a new team. Depending on what it's going to be used for will determine which one of these you click on. I'm creating a class for Phil, so I'm just going to click class. All right, and you need to give it a name. So I need to find the email from Phil. There it is there. So this is going to be an Avid group, so it's 7W2, let's call it Avid. All right, and it automatically puts in the title there. You can't get rid of the Eduvic. That's just the way it is. You can put in the description if you want, but you don't have to. So I've done that. So now I'm going to click Next, and it's going to create the team. You used to be able to add your students directly from here, but this is the change that they've made. Now what you need to do is you need to create a link and have the students click on the link from Compass, which I'll show you in a sec. So you can skip that. Because I'm creating it on behalf of someone, I'm going to put in Phil. There he is there. And I'm going to add Phil to the team. So now, what we'll actually see if we go into Manage Teams is you'll see that Phil's an owner and I'm an owner. What you can do is you can change the permissions to be a member and so on and so forth if you want. Up here is hopefully where we'll see a change. There should be somewhere in the middle here a pending requests, and that's the part that I'm having a few problems with today. But we'll move forward anyway. So now that I've added myself and Phil, what we need to do is we need to post a link for the kids to click on and basically request access to the team. So this is, it's a good feature in the sense that you can monitor who has joined the team and who hasn't yet, so then you can target the specific people. The old way, you would add everyone and you may not necessarily get everyone clicking in or logging in, and it was a lot harder to keep track of who has accessed it and who hasn't. So we need to post the link. So what we need to do is we need to get link to team, and it highlights this massive long-winded thing, so we're going to copy that. Then what you need to do is you need to come to Compass. I have so many windows open, it's not funny. Okay, so at the moment I'm logged in as myself. Let's see if I can. I don't think I can. No. Okay. Alright, so I can't impersonate Phil, so that's fine. What I'll do is I am going to go in here into the class that I want to post it for. So this is a 7W2 class, so I'm going to go into 7W2. Obviously, you would go into the class that this is applicable for when you're creating. Scroll down, add to the class newsfeed, and please join my team. Can you please follow this link to join the 7W2. Obviously, you can type whatever you want. Oops, that doesn't work. What you need to do, if you want them to click the link, is you need to click on the little hyperlink button here that says link, and then you need to paste your URL into there. So I'm just doing Control-C, Control-V, Control-V being paste, then click OK, and it's now an active link that they can click on. If you want to send a push notification, then you can make your choice from there. You can send it to students, parents, or both. Or you can just save it and it will appear in the newsfeed. So what we might do is, let's just send communication to students. I'll send it like that, just so they know it's there. Save and send. And there it is there. So once they click on that link, it will direct them. Now let's see if I can find it. Whoa, it's messy. I think that's the one. And it's not going to work. It will, let's see, join. Just going to try something here. Oh, there we go. Alexander's requested to join. So you get a notification. This is taking me into that.
My sister and I can't remember what the app is called.
I'm going to go into Teams here and do it this way. Pending request. Let's try this.
I can't remember what the app is called, Miss Jones.
So I've clicked on activity. It's come up here.
Yes.
That's my little boy in the background.
Yes.
And it's not showing up. Oh, okay. This is where it's been playing sort of funny buggers today. Now, I was on the web page. It wasn't showing up. This is what you're looking for: pending requests. For some reason, it hasn't been showing up for me. Maybe it's just me today. I don't know. I had been having more luck in the web version of it. It seems to be working now in the Teams, whatever. So, pending requests. Sorry, I keep being interrupted. Yeah, so pending requests hadn't been showing up for me. So if you're having a few problems, I'm not sure what to suggest. I know this is a bit of a how-to video. Contact Steve or Patrick. Sorry guys, I'm dropping you in it. It appears to be working for me at the moment. So anyway, let's go back to what we're talking about. So 7W2 Avid, right, click on the, left click on the three dots there, manage team, and it takes you into this window here. You should see pending requests. Okay, if you don't, that's the trouble. Pending requests is where the kids' notifications will come, and as you can see, we've got Alex Riley, we've got quite a few that have already seen the notice and are asking permission. So you can accept all, or you can just do it one by one. In this instance, I'm just going to accept all. Okay, and it'll do its thing. Albeit very slowly. There you go. You've accepted the request. Now you can come back to the Members tab, Channel, and you'll see that you have 5 members and guests. All right. And this is where, if you want to, you can change the permissions, but we're not going to. If you want to remove them from the team, you can remove them from the team. You also have options here. You can change yourself to a member or an owner, which you would want to do. In this instance, I am actually going to, I'm just going to leave it, and I will leave the team later on. Like that says no. Jack, okay. But that, I think, is it. I'm sorry this one wasn't quite as good as my previous ones. Like I said, it's been a little bit funny this morning since the department have made their changes. So in here, this is where you would start any conversations. If you want to specifically mention someone, at symbol, and then you can go from there. Here is your Avid team. Enjoy. We're all familiar with that sort of thing. If you're going to post files, then you can put the files into this section once it loads. And that's through the upload feature there. You'll have a few options. You can do it directly like that. You can click and drag. You also have the option sometimes, you can set assignments. This is a really cool feature. You can set assignments to the kids, and it will essentially notify them that they have a task and give them a deadline. Thanks for watching. If you've got any questions, shoot me an email.